Sir Shimmer and the Weeping Dragon. The afternoon sun of Miraloom cast rainbow glimmers on the pearlescent cobblestones of Sparkle Village. Sir Shimmer, resplendent in his shimmering armor, polished his sword with a nervous twitch. Suddenly, Lumina, a frantic villager with a sequined tunic askew, rushed up. "Sir Shimmer, it's the crystal dragon. It's shaking the very ground near the glimmering falls, and our lumina berries are falling off the vines." Sir Shimmer's heart began to pound. A familiar prickling sensation spread from his toes to the tips of his ears. He tried to speak, to assure Lumina he'd handle it, but the words caught in his throat. Before he could utter a sound, he vanished completely, leaving only the faint scent of starlight behind. Lumina stared, bewildered, at the empty space where the brave knight stood just moments before. Sir Shimmer, now invisible, navigated the winding forest path leading to the glimmering falls. Each step was a silent whisper through the shimmering leaves. The ground beneath his unseen feet trembled with every distant roar of the crystal dragon. A knot of fear tightened in Sir Shimmer's stomach, a sensation that kept him completely transparent, a shimmering ghost in the forest. Finally, Sir Shimmer reached a clearing. There, he saw Glimmer, a magnificent beast with scales made of pure, raw amethyst. The dragon was not breathing fire, but rather crying. Its massive crystal tears splashed onto the ground, causing small, shimmering geysers to erupt with each sorrowful drop. Glimmer let out a lonely, heart-wrenching wail that echoed through the clearing. Sir Shimmer realized the dragon wasn't an enemy, but just as scared as he was. This time, the knight's nervousness wasn't a weakness. It was what allowed him to get close without startling the already terrified creature. Sir Shimmer, still invisible, took another careful step closer. Invisible, Sir Shimmer approached the weeping dragon, his heart aching with empathy. He realized the true source of Glimmer's distress. A thick, thorny vine had wrapped itself tightly around one of its large, delicate, wing-like crystals, trapping it and causing immense pain. Sir Shimmer tentatively reached out an invisible hand and gently touched the dragon's snout. A low rumble of surprise emanated from Glimmer, a sound that was more curious than fearful. The dragon's large, tear-filled eyes blinked slowly, trying to comprehend the unseen touch. The knight focused, trying to quell his fear so he could reappear and help Glimmer. But then, a new thought sparked. He realized he didn't have to reappear. Being invisible wasn't just a reaction to fear, it was a powerful tool. With newfound confidence, Sir Shimmer understood how to truly embrace his unique superpower. With this realization, Sir Shimmer used his transparency to his advantage, slipping effortlessly between the dragon's large claws. Carefully, slowly, he began to snip away at the tough, thorny vine with his shimmering sword. The tremors in the ground lessened as Sir Shimmer worked, the dragon calming as it felt the gentle, unseen hands of the knight freeing it. As the final piece of the vine fell away, Sir Shimmer felt a surge of pride and confidence warm his entire being. A faint outline of his shimmering armor began to reappear, glowing softly against the crystal scales of the now peaceful Glimmer. The dragon let out a soft rumble, no longer a wail of fear, but a purr of gratitude.